Update 2 on Typhoon Malou. Currently moving north-northeast at 20 miles per hour, or if you go by here, 21 miles per hour, with winds of, by my analysis, 90 miles an hour. It is definitely does not look like a Category 2 right now, so I have it as a Category 1. It peaked earlier on as a 95 mile an hour Category 1 typhoon. I am not going to pull the trigger on becoming this a Category 2, making this a Category 2. It did not look like a Category 2 at any stage of its life. With a pressure of 970 millibars right now. But if you go by the main analysis, it is 965 millibars, and with winds of 100 miles an hour still. Although I don't think this is a Category 2 anymore, I'm even saying that it's not a Category 2 at peak. I'm saying it's borderline, but not yet. It's a maximum Category 1, or 95 miles an hour. We'll have to see what I do with the post-analysis. Expected to just generally move off towards the northeast, easterly, and then go extratropical in a few days. Now, if you remember, Tropical Depression 26W, it's dead. It didn't get named. Now, we could also be looking at some West Indian Ocean system forming. You can see this spin right here. You can see this thing has some spin. But mainly, we're focusing on Malou, which is impacting Japanese islands and has been. It's been impacting the Ogasawara island chain. It has made close passes to Ogasawara, Hahajima, Anajime, Imotojima, and its closest pass to these islands up here, which are Mukujima, Nakotojima, and Yomejima. It did also make its closest pass to this island right here, which is Iwo Jima. This is Iwo Jima right here. And this one is, that's just like Japanese. I don't speak Japanese. I don't know Japanese much. I can say a couple of Japanese words, but I don't speak Japanese. I'm not Japanese. I'm American, so yeah. And Malou is generally expected to die off. Now, if we have Anna and Wanda active at the same time, that would be hilarious. Because Anna is the first name of list 1 that actually was the first name we ever used this year in the North Atlantic. And then we had, and that's now a name for the Southwest Indian Ocean, which that was selected about July, at the 1st of July, so that changed over. I wouldn't say pretty recently, but still somewhat recently. And Malou is generally not expected to make any threats to land areas after those passes. Might make close passes to maybe some of the islands around there, if there is any, but it's generally expected to no longer threaten land. There are no watches and warnings up to my knowledge. Maybe some in Japan, in the Japanese islands like Ogasawara, although it's now passing those islands, including the Ogasawara island chain, which includes those islands I mentioned earlier. And so I don't expect any new warnings to be issued for this typhoon. And that will be it for this Malou update. I will see you on the next update video. By the way, fun fact, the video before this is actually the focus towards Apollo, which is in the Mediterranean. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.